Do you want to know how you can turn on or off the study reminders in Quizlet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on or off the reading reminders or the reminders in Quizlet. So go ahead and open quizlet.com on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account and click on your profile. Now go to settings and then scroll down until you find notifications, and if you scroll a bit more down you can see study reminders. So if it is turned on, you can turn off by making it gray. So on means blue and off means gray. So turn it into gray and you can see that your study reminders have been turned off. Now you can choose the time in which you will get the reminder, so you can choose the time which you want, and if you turn on the study reminder you will get a notification of Quizlet of studying on time. This was a video on how you can turn on or off the study reminders in Quizlet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.